Now you see the result with the gold. We put some gold right here, some darker shade of gold right here, and darker shade of gold just right here, and it tones it and it gives a little bit more brightness to the color. And now the darker shade that we put it right here, see that it gives you this nice shadow. Now there is no makeup in here other than this under the lipstick, so you can see because of the darkness in here, the reflection, it gives you an illusion that you do have brush in here, and it gives you an illusion also, of course, because of this is darkened. You can see the difference in here. It gives you this illusion that you do have a bronzer right here. And we did the back, so we did a back in here, and then just touching the bottom, just the bottom. So that was very easy. Foil over here, one here, a few here and there. And again, you are in charge of your own beauty, and you decide where do you want to put your low light or highlight to sparkle and to rejuvenate your beauty.